Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokce DB. In this video, you're going to learn how to create a multi-node Cassandra setup using Docker. Let's start by using the docker run command to create the first node on port 9042. Use the docker inspect command to get the IP address of this first node. You can also use the Docker UI to check the status of this container. Next, we're going to create the second node on port 9043 and use the IP address of the first node as a Cassandra seed. Feel free to verify the status of both instances in the Docker UI. Now you can create the third node on port 9044 and use the IP addresses of the first and the second node as Cassandra seeds. If you look at the status of the third instance on the Docker UI, you'll see that it says exited. That's because the first two nodes haven't successfully connected yet. You can also use the docker exec node tool status command to verify the status on command line. After restarting the third instance and waiting few more minutes, now the status of the third instance says UJ, which means up and joining. Wait until the status changes to UN, which means up and normal. Next, use the docker exec command to start the CQL shell and connect to one of the Cassandra instances. I'm also going to create a key space called Cassandra_Gokce DB with a replication factor of 3 using network topology strategy. Finally, use the describe key spaces command to show all existing key spaces. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.